how to take off the window switch, either driver side or passenger side, front doors. And here is another bolt here. Strongly suggest that you get yourself a magnetic tip Phillips screwdriver, because as for me, I just take things apart, I don't put them together. But if anything falls, then it just stays on the tip. It just pops out from here. All right, just wiggle it around. Bolt there, Phillips screwdriver, and then it just pops out with clips. And then here's this. Let's see, we'll try this one here. This one just comes down, pull. And this one looks a little tricky. We'll just cut it. No, hold on. I don't see any. Oh, here it is. All right, so we're just gonna push this in, and then pull. So here's your little tab that you gotta press on right here. Not this one, but that one. Just comes off, comes out like that. All right, so that's the removal of a window switch.